One bird, two birds, three birds, four. Five birds sitting, knocking at my door. Six birds, seven birds, eight birds, 10. Wait, where is nine? Oh, there it is again. Flapping and chirping, up they go. Dancing in sunlight, wings in a show. A rainbow of feathers, colors so bright, singing their songs from morning to night. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Oh no! Apple, bear, car, dog, elephant, frog, giraffe, horse, ice, jelly beans, kite, lemon, money, nest, octopus, pineapple, quilt, rabbit, strawberries, turtle, umbrella, violin, watermelon, xylophone, yak, zebra.
Next time, won't you sing with me? Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more jumping on the bed."
four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more jumping on the bed."
three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more jumping on the bed."
two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more jumping on the bed."
one little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more jumping on the bed."
Count the sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. P. Ink. Pink. S. Ink. Sink. L. Ink. Link. Ink. Can you complete the pattern? Seashell, fish, seashell, fish, seashell. What is next? Right, a fish.
Jump, jump, jump up high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Jump, jump, jump around. Then wiggle, wiggle, wiggle to the ground.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Everybody come and join the dance.
Spin, spin, spin around. Now sit down and touch the ground. Stop, stop, stop your feet. March to the silly beat. Stop, stop, all around. Twirl, twirl back down.
Clap, clap, clap your hands. Everybody come and join the dance.
Spin, spin, spin around. Take a bow and touch the ground.